In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Canva for Mailchimp. We'll start in Canva and finish in Mailchimp so you can send a polished, responsive email with confidence. Begin on the Canva homepage and select the email icon. This opens a responsive email design type, which sets the correct canvas and structure for inboxes across phones, tablets, and desktops. Next, choose a template you like. Pick one that matches your brand's vibe and the kind of message you plan to send. You can customize colors, images, and copy. But keep email deliverability and readability in mind. As you design, use email-safe elements. Stick to widely supported fonts like Arial or Helvetica, so text renders consistently in most inboxes. Decorative or uncommon fonts may be replaced by a fallback, which can break your layout. Keep the structure simple and responsive by using 1 or 2 columns with clear spacing. This helps your email adapt smoothly to smaller screens and avoids side scrolling. Keep images lightweight so they load quickly, and rely on clear headings, short paragraphs, and strong calls to action to guide your reader. The goal is a clean, predictable layout that looks good everywhere. When your design is ready, export the HTML for Mailchimp. Click Share in the top right corner. Select Mailchimp and click Download. Canva will generate a zip file that includes the HTML and all associated assets. Save this file somewhere easy to find, and consider naming it clearly so you can track versions if you make updates later. Now switch to Mailchimp. Log in and create a new campaign, then go to Email Templates. In the Design section, choose Code Your Own or Import HTML. Upload the zip file you downloaded from Canva. Mailchimp will process the files and display a preview so you can confirm everything imported as expected. One important note: once your template is imported as HTML, you won't be able to use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor on that design. Any design changes need to be made back in Canva. After editing, export a new zip and re-upload it to Mailchimp to replace the previous version. This workflow ensures consistency between what you designed and what's sent. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.